Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Southern-style red beans and rice. A Southern classic comfort dish that is made with love. This dish is simple enough to make with that thick and creamy delicious meat sauce that's ladled over white rice. There are a variety of ways to make this, but I'm confident that this way will make you craving more. To prepare our red beans with rice, we need to prepare the beans. This step needs to be done in advance. We are using 16 ounces of dried red kidney beans, and they need to be rinsed. And pick out any small rocks or foreign objects that might be in there. Then we need to soak these beans, and to do so, we're gonna add them to a bowl, cover them with cool water, and then pop them in the fridge so they can tenderize overnight. If you don't have that much time, let them soak for at least 4 hours. Now we're gonna chop up some vegetables so we can get cooking. Chop 1 medium white onion into medium-sized chunks. 4 ribs of celery, also cut into bite-sized chunks. And chop up 1 medium bell pepper. In a large pot over medium-high heat, heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once that oil's hot, we're gonna add in those chopped vegetables and saute those for 7 to 9 minutes until they soften up. But most importantly, we wanna see some browning. We're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and saute that alongside those vegetables for 2 more minutes. Now we're gonna pour in 8 cups of chicken broth. Grab the beans that have been soaking, go ahead and drain them and add those to the pot. If you wanna simply use canned kidney beans, you can totally do so. You're just gonna need to cut the cooking time in half and reduce that broth down to 5 cups instead of 8. Add to the pot 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning based on how you like the heat level. If you really want to spice up this dish, add in some cayenne, some chili flakes, or your favorite hot sauce. You do you. Bring to a boil, then reduce that to a simmer and let it simmer uncovered for about an hour and a half. Our beans have been cooking for about an hour and a half now, and now we're going to cook our rice according to the package directions. Add to our bean mixture 16 ounces of sliced andouille sausage. The sausage imparts a delicious smoky flavoring to this mixture, but you could also use a ham hock or chunks of pork and they work great as well. Let this simmer for another 30 minutes, and if you find it too thick for your liking, go ahead and add in a little bit of water, or you can add in some chicken broth. While it is simmering, occasionally stir it and mash some of those beans against the side of the pot. That's gonna help give this creamy, velvety texture. This has been simmering for about 2 hours and our beans are tender, and the consistency of this, it's so perfect. Make sure you remove those bay leaves, salt and pepper that to your liking, and ladle it over the rice and you're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.